Olympia Tools have launched a brand new range of power tools to the marketplace only within the last 12 to 18 months. They have a full range of products available. This is one of their new products within the range, which is the X20 20-volt combination drill. Let's see what we've got inside. Comes in a carry case, metal latches, and straight away you can see really nice quality product. Comes with two 2 amp hour batteries, a 1 hour fast charger, which again, everything you need to get yourself going. The 2 batteries are really useful because obviously if you're using the product, you can have one of the batteries on charge. So actually when you're running down the charge on this particular one, you know this one's always full and ready to go, so you never have to stop the job. Let's have a look at the product. Rubber overmolded case, 2-speed, 21 torque settings, 13mm keyless chuck, light on there as well. So obviously in a confined space, if you're under a cupboard or etc, it'll throw a bit of light on the work you're using. Obviously it does screwing into metal, masonry and wood. The torque settings there are particularly for screws. So if you're driving screws into timber, depending on the denseness of the timber, the correct torque setting will allow you to get a nice flush finish without diving into the wood and ripping it up. It'll do 30mm both in steel and masonry. Has a handy screwdriver, double-ended screwdriver bit in there as well, so it immediately gets you started as soon as you buy the product. Belt hook as well. This really is a superb quality product. Rubber overmolded case. This X20 drill is a fantastic addition to the Olympia Power Tools range, and it also comes with a 2-year guarantee. Pop into your local Real Deals For You store and check one out.